To avoid future payment blocks on Gmail, it's essential to follow a few straightforward steps. This guide will help you ensure smooth transactions and maintain your account's good standing. Step 1. Review payment information. Check that your payment details are accurate and up to date. Log into your Google account, navigate to the payment settings, and verify that your credit card or bank information is correct. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Enhance your account security by enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection, making it harder for unauthorized users to access your account and potentially cause payment issues. Step 3. Monitor account activity. Regularly review your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report immediately to Google support to prevent further issues. Step 4. Keep your account in good standing. Ensure that your account complies with Google's policies. Avoid any activities that might violate their terms of service, as this can lead to payment blocks. Step 5. Contact support for issues. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sh.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of payment blocks on your Gmail account. Staying proactive and vigilant will help ensure a smooth experience with your transactions.